first, and I want to thank everyone for coming to my channel, checking us out. And if you like something, please comment and put a comment in the below and let me know what you like, what you want to see more of. And I want to give a big shout out to all the new people. I mean, it's just like blowing my mind. I do feel like my phone in my pocket. How many comments and how many views that I have gotten. I mean, it's just have just blown up, and I'm so grateful for all that. And I'm gonna try to take y'all now to a couple of areas of the house, so hopefully I don't ruffle the camera up too much. But yeah, come back soon. I'm gonna post the links in this for if y'all want to see the bonus thing. Here we go. Let me unplug it from the. Oh, I have a feeling I'm gonna be. Ooh, got a little dark. Okay, just bear with me because I don't know how to get it off the tripod. So if there's my window, see that big window? That's Amanda Franklin. Sorry, y'all. So yeah, but I want to give you a quick view of my stockings, and this is my tree right there. Sorry, my phone upstairs is going off. But I finally got my tree up. That's one. Let me turn the volume off real quick. There, I got on silent mode. I haven't finished the dining room, so please excuse the mess. I do have the table kind of done. And this is one of the wreaths I made. It's a pretty good size one. I made deco mesh wreaths. I mess different kinds of wreaths. But I wanted y'all to see my kitchen. This is my pizza pan gingerbread man I made, and there's my ginger girl, and there's my gingerbread tree. Let's see. See, I'm not good at this, y'all. Please bear with me. There's my cabinets, and there's my coffee bar. And so yeah, this is part of my Christmas display. I have quite a bit to do. I have to do my TV room, like I said, the formal the gentleman's den. And then here's outside. You can see the back of my displays. Let me see. Let me turn over this way where I can see what y'all seeing. That would have been a smart thing to do. Still got some boxes up here. We'll get those taken care of this weekend. If you can't see good, I'm sorry, because this is a lead glass door. But yeah. So, oh, that's my Nutcrackers. If y'all didn't see my living room. But yeah, thank y'all for coming, and I appreciate it. And when I'm done with all the decorations, I will give y'all a tour of the house, and I'll do a nighttime tour outside because everything will be lit up. But yeah, thanks everybody for coming. See y'all. Bye. 13th, 2023, and yeah, Merry Christmas, everyone, and hope to see y'all back soon. If y'all want, I will just give you a quick peek at the Grinch room, my TV room, as long as you excuse this mess, because when I get up, it's going to be messy right here. And I'll be moving the camera, so just hold on if y'all want to see that. If not, just go ahead and click off. And thanks for watching my video. I want to do this as smooth as I can without jiggling y'all. My legs. Oop. I don't want to. And there is my Grinch and my Grinch tree. I painted, is that Lucy Lou? Is that her name? Lucy Lou and the Grinch a few years ago, like 2019. And that is our dinosaur we got from Dinosaur World in Cave City, and my husband's Texas Longhorn horns. It was his papa's. He used to own a cattle ranch, I think, or something. So that they're really, really old. So that was his. And there's my Grinch tree. It was a regular tree, and I made the bow on it with some metal wire and some garland. And there is my pictures of the Grinch, and those are my 2 first LP albums of Queen. I just got them. Never had it, owned it even before my life. They are the originals from 1980s and 79, something like that. The game is 80, and I have to look at the one for Sheer Heart Attack. And let's see, I don't want to jiggle y'all around here too much. But excuse the my grandsons. I was doing laundry yesterday. And there is my couch with all my Grinch pillows. And my table. Oop! Hitting these. Let me put these legs in. Try not to move too fast. And there's my Grinch. Let me put these legs back out. So maybe I could get my Grinch to go back. Oop. I've had this Grinch for, sorry y'all, sorry. Okay, now I'm done moving it. I've had this Grinch since 2005. We own the Grinch, Santa Claus. We own 2 or 3 Santa Clauses. Look at that way I can see what I'm doing. This is just from Dollar Tree I threw on there. We own a Grinch, we own a teddy bear, and we own 2 Santa Clauses that work still in a box. But we bought them in 2005 for my first grandchild, Jason. And this is the Grinch.
Who knows? This jubilation could change my entire outlook on life.
Let me turn them up.
You're a mean one, Mr. Grinch. You really are here.
So, I hope y'all like my video today.
You're a bad banana with a greasy black beard. And that's bad.
Merry Christmas, y'all. Bye.